In this video, you will learn how to activate your DirectOut ACE device step by step. It is recommended to watch the whole video once before starting and keep it open as a reference during the activation process. To activate ACE, first connect the unit to power and switch it on by holding the encoder for a few seconds. Now make sure ACE is connected to the same network as your computer through the MGMT port. You can either connect ACE directly to your computer using an Ethernet cable, or connect both ACE and your computer to the same network switch. Your computer must also be connected to the internet. Next, open the ACE webpage. To do this, you first need to find the device IP address on the touch display in the second tab. If no IP address is shown, press the menu button, go to Management Configuration, select Change Configuration, set it to Auto and confirm. Then go back to the home screen and scroll to the second tab to see the IP address. Enter that IP address in your browser to access the device interface. In the Activation section, the system will show that the device is not yet activated. Before continuing, it is recommended to log in to your my.directout.u account or create one if needed. Click Proceed with Activation to start the process. From this point on, you will see two windows, the ACE device webpage in the background and a pop-up window in front. If you are not logged in yet, the pop-up window will ask you to sign in to your my.directout.u account. Click on Access Portal and then log in, or create a new account. Next, associate the device with your account. Select your account by clicking on the corresponding button, then click Start Association. To proceed, you need to enter a code from the pop-up into the ACE webpage. The easiest way is to click Proceed Automatically. Once the association is confirmed, choose the activation path. This path defines the licenses and modes included in the first activation. For more details about the activation paths, you can visit ace.directout.u in the License Overview section. To continue, choose one of the available activation paths by clicking on its button. Then tick the two checkboxes below. By doing this, you confirm that you waive the right to cancel the first license after activation, and you accept the general terms and conditions. If you are sure that the selected path is the one you want, click Confirm Activation. Next, you will see a final confirmation window before the activation is completed. If the name of the path is not the one you want, click Change Path to go back to the previous screen and select a different option. If the path shown is correct, type the exact name of the path into the dedicated text field. The text must match the name of the selected path. When you have entered the correct name, click Confirm. After this last confirmation, your choice becomes final and cannot be changed. After activation, install the licenses on the device. To install them automatically, click Install on Device Automatically. During installation, the device may go offline briefly. Once the installation is finished, your ACE is ready to use. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the DirectOut YouTube channel to stay up to date and discover more on ace.directout.eu.